Hi guys, Retrocengo here. Short video. It's late. It's very late. Everybody's asleep, so I'm not gonna be loud just like in my other videos. No music and no pumping Amiga music in the background. Nothing like that. But I love to work with these lovely computers when it's late. I don't know why. I just love it. Now, I have a question for you guys because my knowledge about the Amiga 4000 is not that big. I didn't have one of these back then, and I have them now, and I really love every second with them. They're just one of the most amazing computers ever. So this one is a revision B. It's hard to see, it's dark, I'm so sorry guys. This one's revision B. And this one is also a revision B. So I found out that this one have Kickstart 3.1. So I opened my other Amiga 4000. This one I know. I love this one because of most of my Amiga 4000s. If you look around the battery over here, look at this one. The previous owner did remember to take off the battery before it released the battery juice. So this one looks amazing. I really love this one. Now on this Amiga 4000, if you can see, the battery has also been removed. But here, not that it's that important, but here it's a little bit lighter, so it had some battery juice down here, and I mean it works perfect, but I really prefer this one. So I want to take off these two ROM chips here, 3.1, and replace them with this one, 3.0. All right, so this one runs with this CPU card, and this card had some sort of cooler ones, but this one runs without any cooler on. It's an 040 that runs with 25 megahertz. Now I do put a finger on them, and I did a couple of times. They don't get that hot, but as of right now, I really want to ask you guys if you know these 3640 Commodore CPU boards that runs with an 040 25 megahertz. Is it required to run with a cooler, passive or active cooler? Please let me know, because I got in doubt, because this one says revision E. All right, revision E. This one over here, again, it came like this, no cooling, no nothing. As you can see, the other one I got, it had some sort of cooling on top, but as you can see here, this one just ran like this, and it works perfect. And if you look at the back side, this one says revision B. All right, Amiga 4000 040 CPU revision B. All right, so revision E and revision B. And if you look here on the board, it says A3640 board revision 3.0. All right. If you look at the same place over here, again, it says revision 3.0. All right. Then I opened another Amiga 4000, and it had this one. Now, this is an 040 again that runs again with 25 megahertz. This one does not have any revision on it. It just says EC040. But when I look here, this one says again A3640 board revision 3.1 instead of 3.0. But this one has got a massive passive cooler here and an active cooler installed on top of here. And as you can see, it's done really well. So this makes me think that that one and the other one should also have some sort of cooling. Now I don't overclock my Amigas, no, nothing like that, but what did Commodore say? Do they need cooling? Oh, 40, 25 megahertz, not 40, 25, not overclock. I don't need more speed, no nothing, but I just want to take good care of my old computers. So should I go ahead and buy some sort of cooler like this? If yes, if you guys could help me with a link, if you sell something, or if you know something that's like this, that has this odd clip thingies. As you can see, I have never seen, oh it's so dark, but these brown thingies here, I've not seen nothing like this before. On my Cyberstorm boards, they got big coolers with some clips that you just clip on the CPU and it cools them down. But I also like this system. So if I should buy cooling on these old 40s, please let me know, and a little link would be great, guys. So that was actually my question here in the middle of the night. I just got confused with these boards, and please don't laugh at me, because guys, I'm learning every day. It's not a bad thing to ask, you know, and I know you guys, I mean, all the help, your knowledge and all that, I love the support in this community. So it's just great. And I want to say thank you for your time. Have a nice evening, guys. Bye.